Hello, welcome to the basics training of 3ds Max. I am using 3ds Max 2021 trial version. So the first video is about the interface. So this is the viewport, the 4 viewport. You can Alt W to maximize. You can click here to change to top, to bottom, or to go back to perspective. You can click here this little icon like a house, so it will come back to your original position. You can also maximize using this one. You can here in the top, this is the undo, the redo, the move, the rotate, the scale, the snap to rotation, the snap to for example, you can click to here, right click, and you can choose to snap to grid. So we have to discuss this along the course. And here in the side is the list of your objects in the scene. So the box here is listed. You can change the name in here. Change the name whatever you want, and also it will appear in here. This side is the panel. So the box, this is listed here the parameters of the basic primitives. There is standard primitives. In this button there is splines or lines. It's all about line in here. Circle, so this about lines. There is lights, there is camera, etc. So we have to study this along the course. So let us reset this. Don't save. Yes. One thing I want to show you first is the setup of your units. Here, customize your units first so that our models are accurate. You can set up a metric, meters, centimeters. Use standard. I usually use decimal inches because I am making 3D models for furniture, for architectural visualization. So after that, you can make your models already. So here in the bottom is the animation. We have also to discuss this along the course. And there is a play button, and this one I will show you. This is the, if we have to click the move and we have to snap this to the center, we can put here 0 for X, 0 for Y, 0 for Z. So that's it for the user interface.